In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell PDFs using Gumroad. This process is straightforward and can be completed with just a few clicks. Whether you're looking to sell an ebook, guide, or any other type of PDF document, Gumroad makes it incredibly easy to reach your audience and manage sales. First, you'll want to head over to the Gumroad website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage and the features it offers. Once you're ready, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. If you haven't created an account yet, you can sign up, but for our purpose today, let's assume you already have an account. Next, you'll be prompted to log in. Here, simply choose the Google option to select your Google account associated with Gumroad. This is a convenient way to streamline the login process and access your dashboard without the hassle of remembering additional passwords. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the menu on your dashboard and click on Products. This section is where you'll manage all the content you intend to sell. To start selling a new PDF, click on New Product. Here, you'll need to provide a name for your product. Choose a title that is descriptive and appealing to your potential buyers. After naming your product, you'll see options to select the currency and set your price. Think about your target audience and price your PDF accordingly. Once done, click on Next Customize. Now it's time to enhance the appeal of your PDF by adding a description. Describe your PDF in a way that highlights its value and why someone should purchase it. Be clear, concise, and persuasive. Following this, upload images or videos to serve as the cover for your PDF. This visual aspect is particularly important as it can draw in potential buyers and differentiate your product from others. After customizing your product, click on Save and Continue to proceed. Now you'll need to upload the PDF file. Click on the upload icon and a new window will open. Here, click Computer Files and navigate through your folders to find and select the PDF you want to sell. Make sure your file is complete and correctly formatted before uploading. The final step is to click Publish and Continue. This action will make your PDF live on Gumroad, allowing potential buyers to view and purchase it. Be sure to promote your PDF through your preferred channels, whether that's social media, email lists, or your website, to maximize visibility and sales. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to sell PDFs using Gumroad. With these steps, you can easily set up your digital storefront and reach a broader audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.